Hey, Millie, I've got your tea for you, son.
I need that.
Tea for you, Millyard.
Sorry, I've been working so hard on this.
Hey, I've got to tell you, my father-in-law, okay, who is the best geezer in the world, right? He's got a new name for Millyard, right? He calls him Millward. I don't know why that's so funny. Hey, talking about beauty, which we're not, feast your eyes on that. Isn't it lovely? Neil's finish of the engine is stunning.
Spot on.
It is, isn't it? I can tell you're excited because you just said spot on.
Spot on.
Okay, so look, we've got the engine, we've got the cases fitted on there, all polished up lovely by Propo. And we are going to, am I right, what are we going to do first, Millie?
Put the frame on. We're going to fit the frame to the engine. We have one gasket short, but we can fit that afterwards, which is really good.
Doing it this way round is unorthodox.
Got to choreograph this together perfectly.
Okay. But it's not quite as hard as I feared.
That's it.
There's one crucial bit missing, but fear ye not. He's arrived! I can see him! Help is at hand. It's about time, son. Boss, mate, very nice. It's Tim from Suzuki Classic Parts. Now, Tim, right, seeing as he's about 10 minutes late, but also there's tea here, but I kind of made a decision, okay, that you're only getting the tea if the gasket fits.
Good choice. Yeah, let's just try it.
Tim's first offering is the gasket for the top of the engine. So you've got loads of different classic parts for Suzuki bikes, have you? So if you're doing a resto, you can actually talk to Suzuki, is that right?
Yeah, talk to one of our main dealers and they'll be able to help you, source your parts, see what's available, see what's not, and then what you can't get is what you've got to search for on the internet.
Yeah, because I always say that, right, is that if you are thinking of restoring a motorcycle, you better...
It fits.
Describe it. Does it? Why did you just not say? You just drifted off for something else, metal relevant. Does it fit? This guy's parched.
Let you finish the conversation with
It's all right.
It fits.
Good. Tim.
Excellent.
There you go, mate. Happy days. No
Thank you very
sugar.
much.
Lovely. Once the gasket's on, the engine cover drops in nicely. Ah, Tim, what a result, mate. Thank you so much. And also, feast your eyes, we've got quite a lot of trinketry in here, eh? We can now bolt down a top end, can't we?
Can't find a 10mm socket.
Well, you're supposed to be a genius.
The 10mm socket's always the one that goes missing, isn't it? I suppose you won't need a 10mm socket on an electric bike, would you?